Hi everyone, this is Tara with Rihanna Stark. This is another pick a card reading. In today's reading, we will cover the topic blessings coming your way. This is a timeless reading, so whenever you stumble upon it, have a look at it because the messages are just for you. Like always, we have two piles here. This is pile A, which is the pink flower, and this is pile B, which is the blue flower. Viewers, you can also pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you are being drawn to. We also have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just that. Those of you who picked pile A, this is your reading, which is the pink flower. I'll keep this aside for now. We have here is the Ace of Swords. Certainly pile A, you are being called upon to cut through those obstacles. It's quite likely that you're going to move onward and you're going to make that quick progress. Some of you are also desiring financial independence when you stumble upon this reading. Perhaps many of you are also embroiled in a messy situation. That is why you are being called upon to use your contacts, as they could step in and benefit you. You should also weigh your words very carefully, pile A, because we have the Swords energy. So certainly you are being called upon to be very polite. Maybe you are being impatient. So this could create misunderstandings. Ideally, pile A, you are being called upon to be prudent and to hold your tongue. Now and then you could also be a bit peeved and irritable. This is why it could have a bearing on your health as well. Largely pile A, you're going to be dealing with changes in your schedule. I think there's also some kind of movement here. Basically pile A, you're being called upon to take the initiative. Maybe time could also be at a premium. The uprush of energy is something which is asking you to make the most of it. Also pile A, you're somebody who's going to make quick decisions. Maybe your quick thinking would also help you enormously. On the work front, you may find that deals are being finalized and you're being paid pronto. Furthermore, your goodwill will allow you to secure last-minute deals. However, pile A, you're also being called upon to be very careful. Maybe while dealing with paperwork, you should read between the lines. The next card we have here is the Tower. Again, this is the Mars energy, which is propelling you to move onward. I don't think you're somebody who's going to shilly-shally. Rather, you're going to advance and make that quick progress. There's an urgency in your step. Besides, I think there could also be the urge to call up somebody or make those phone calls. Perhaps you're being a bit restless and impatient as well. Surely, pile A, you also have to deal with those quick reactions. Ideally also pile A, you are being called upon to be more realistic rather than set your hopes too high, because we have the Tower energy, which means that your expectations could tumble down. There will also be those delays that you have to encounter, that you have to put up with. But the best part is that you'll be able to complete what you set out to do. I think help is also coming in because your loved ones or your acquaintances and friends could rally around you. We have the Ace of Wands, which is the next card in your reading. Basically pile A, you have to be ready for the grind. At times, you could be a bit overwhelmed because of the excess work that is there. Perhaps your skills are also in demand, but this is a good thing because you're going to be busy. While working also pile A, maybe you need to be a bit more cautious because there could be two sets of information. Maybe you're undecided about how to proceed. So this could leave you a bit perplexed and baffled. Again, because of your hastiness, there could be errors in your work, so you need to be a bit careful. For some of you, the pressure could also be on account of a superior who could bully you or who could curse you. Perhaps this person is also going to put undue pressure on you or is taking advantage of your competency. All in all, there could be gains which could be sudden, and even past gains could come in for you. Also somebody who wants to focus on ethics. The energy is such that you will crave newness. Maybe you're also going to receive gifts or presents. Incidentally, you could also come across acquaintances and guests. Pile A, you should also be worried because somebody could also want to take you for a ride. Maybe this person could expect your good counsel but doesn't pay you for the same. Really, pile A, you should seek an advance before you proceed. Again, pile A, you're being called upon to get into partnerships, get into collaborations. I think some of you are also planning about renovation at the home, or maybe you're thinking about a new property. From Lenormand, we have the card Stork. For pile A, changes on the cards. Maybe you're going to migrate, or you're going to proceed from one place to another, or maybe there could be news from a far off place. Basically, the stork is a migratory bird. I think you're also somebody who's quite elegant and beautiful, because we also have the Ace of Wands and we also have the stork, which is a beautiful bird. Maybe you're also very beautiful and elegant, or a handsome man. Maybe you're quite leggy as well. Nevertheless, pile A, you're being called upon to move with the changes. I think there's going to be the transitional phase that you have to deal with. Maybe you're advancing to somewhere better. Spiritually also, it's a time to move on from where you are. Ideally, pile A, you are being called upon to embrace these changes which are there in your journey of life, rather than create roadblocks or restrictions or resist the change. With respect to your love life, I'm also picking up that perhaps you're being forced to communicate with somebody on account of a problem that surfaces within your home life or within your environment. Maybe you're a bit tentative and you don't want to do so. But then this person has also pulled at your heartstrings. That is why I think you will communicate with this person. Like I said, your aides and your acquaintances. So even this person could assist you when the problem arises. I think he's going to stand by you. For some of you, I'm also picking up that maybe you could be going out of the way to initiate the conversation, but this person could be disinterested. Basically, you will find yourself dealing with those spur of the moment reactions, and you could surprise or startle this person. Perhaps this person also lives far away from you, because we did have the stork card in your reading. Those of you who are romancing, I think you can expect brief conversations. I think some date nights could also be shelved, so you have to be prepared for the same. Anyhow, when you are discussing things with your lover, I think you will discuss your childhood or your past. Maybe you're also somebody who is also going to seek forgiveness because mistakes have been made in the past. Incidentally, because of the Ace of Wands energy, or because of the Tower card, and even the Ace of Swords, I'm picking up that maybe there's sexual chemistry also, or sexual tension also, which is there. Likewise, those of you who are married, I think you should avoid disagreements of any kind. Perhaps a more collaborative approach or cooperative approach could help you in this time. We have this card, Self-Care, from the Butterfly Oracle deck. Surely, pile A, you're also being called upon to focus on your own well-being. Maybe you need to rest and recuperate. Maybe you need to look after yourself, pamper yourself. All in all, pile A, if you're going to take care of yourself, then this will ensure happiness, and it will also give you a boost of energy. Maybe you're also being called upon to declutter your surroundings, simplify your life. Sometimes you also need to be assertive rather than let people take you for granted. The next card we have here is School. The answer that you're seeking involves going to school. Pile A, you should also be open to learning of any kind. Maybe you are being called upon to enroll for a higher education. Sometimes a book could also give you a lot of answers. It will give you the direction that you desire. Maybe you're also acquiring new skills, and it will help you related to your dream or your career. I think the time is quite right to move in that direction. Some of you may also be getting the guidance to teach others around you. Maybe you're a teacher or a guide of some kind. If you get nervous, focus on service. Certainly, pile A, there are those times when you will be edgy or restless. So this is why, pile A, you're being called upon to focus on work or focus on your hobbies and pastime, either as a healer or teacher. This is interesting because we did have school. And again, you're being called upon to be a teacher or a healer. Surely your angels are supporting you in this mission. Some of you may also have those psychic gifts and abilities to make the world a better place. Archangel Raphael is asking you to focus on hydration. Maybe he's asking you to drink more water to cleanse your system. Dehydration can also lower our energy levels and create imbalances. Some of you are also being called upon to avoid salt or alcohol or soda and replace it with water. Pray over the water prior to drinking it in order to infuse the liquid with healing energy. You are having issues with the excretory system as well, so that is why Archangel Raphael is asking you to increase your intake of water. Another card we have here is Grey, Depressed, Detached, Unemotional. Perhaps there are those moments when you could be a bit disinterested in whatever is going on around you. I think you may also be forced to communicate with someone. In case you have feelings for someone, maybe this person is not going to acknowledge you. Perhaps he is a bit distant and detached. Maybe pile, you should also include vibrant colors, maybe in your wardrobe or in your surroundings to lift your spirits. It could certainly help you get over the gloom and doom. So the last card in this reading is Hat Rolls. I think pile, you're also somebody who's a juggler of sorts. Maybe you wear several hats. Possibly you takes on many roles and responsibilities, or you have to take into account everybody's needs. Perhaps you're in a leadership position at work, or maybe within the home front also you're being called upon to embrace those responsibilities. However, pile, take care of your own needs. Could be a new venture on the horizon. Like I said, you may be dealing with partnerships or collaborations, but you should also be worried that there could be somebody who could resort to trickery or who's not being upfront. Rather, this person is being sneaky. I hope pile, you liked your reading. This is Chaya with Rihanna Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. Those of you who picked pile B, this is your reading, which is the blue flower. I'll keep this aside for now. The first card in this reading is the Devil card. Communication is definitely going to increase for pile B. In fact, you're also being called upon to be mindful of your words. Maybe there could also be miscommunication, and this could lead to misunderstandings, which is something you can do without. Incidentally, pile B, you may also find that your loved ones could be mistrusting you. Maybe they think that you're not being honest and upfront. Money could also create disagreements amongst your family members. Pile B, you're definitely going to make those gains on account of communication. Maybe deals will also be inked very quickly and you'll be happy on account of the money that comes in. Ideally, I think you should also be very tactful when dealing with subordinates or dealing with your colleagues. Maybe you're coming across as someone who's very high-handed and intolerant. Appreciation is also quite likely for pile B. Perhaps the administrator could also suggest that you need to oversee the running of another department, which is not your domain, so you could sidestep the issue. Maybe you don't want to get into the territory of your superior. The next card we have here is Strength. Surprises are definitely on the cards for pile B. In fact, you may get your past dues. I think your loved ones may also appreciate you for being easy to talk to. Maybe you're going to listen or be patient with them. You're not someone who's quite forceful. Rather, you're somebody who will always weigh the pros and cons and you will give the right advice. Maybe pile B, you're also being called upon to do away with people who you no longer need in your life. Nevertheless, it's going to be a very fruitful period. Maybe there'll also be unexpected money gains which could come your way. Also pile B, I think you're somebody who is going to ignore those clients who only want to take advantage of you. Maybe they are like the leech sucking your energy and blood, but they pay a pittance. Interestingly, pile B, there'll also be those times when you could be in a philosophical mood. Maybe you're spiritually inclined as well. I think pile B, you're also going to focus on the home front because there could be repairs underway at home, or maybe you will also add to your wardrobe. So shopping is also on the cards for pile B. The next card from Lenormand, we have the Dog card. I think you're somebody who's looked upon as a loyal friend and acquaintance. Maybe you're also somebody who will be dealing with a friend who's quite dependable and reliable. Trusted companionship could also be there. Maybe pile B, you're somebody who's looking for romance. I think you will do away with those relationships that you no longer need, or you understand that you need to get rid of the ex-flame. Surely pile B, in case you're crushing on someone or in case you have deep feelings for someone, I think you definitely foresee a future with this person. Maybe you think that there's going to be a promising union in the horizon. Maybe you'll also share your thoughts with your confidant or your trusted friend because you have the Dog card here. Maybe this person will also give you sound advice. Perhaps this person says that though you have made a connection of sorts, but this person should also shown an interest. Ideally pile B, you should not come across as somebody who's quite persuasive. Nevertheless, you definitely believe that this is a soulmate connection that you share with this person. On the other hand, those of you who are already romancing, I think you will share everything or intimate details about your childhood or your past life with this person. That is why this person is like a loyal friend. But you will do so after much consideration and thought. Pile B, you should also avoid those lovers stuff. I think you will ignore each other's phone calls now and then. You could be flirtatious, but then there will be those times when you could completely blindside this person. Anyhow, your lover is somebody who is going to be smitten on account of your looks or your beauty, your grace as well. You will also be discussing your future together. Like I said, there could be home improvements, so maybe you are thinking of settling down or buying a home together. Incidentally, there will also be those obstacles in your love life which you need to work around. Maybe there are people or there is opposition to your romantic connection which you have to be mindful of, and this could create some kind of anxiety or stress. On the other hand, Pile B, those of you who are married, I think you are dealing with a person who is quite temperamental. His fluctuating moods could also unnerve you. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think you may feel as though you are in an oppressive connection. That is why you want to break free and think that this person is always two-timing you. Basically, Pile B, you are desiring clarity. The next card we have here is the next step now. Perhaps Pile B, you're being somebody who is shilly-shallying or who procrastinates when it comes to decision making. However, this card is definitely asking you to take that small step forward. It is definitely offering you a solution. Maybe you will feel a sense of progress and hope. Basically, Pile B, you should follow your intuition or your inner guide and have faith. Primarily, you should also focus on today instead of looking too far ahead or too far down the road. These small steps make a big difference in your life. It will definitely give you the courage to move or think big. The next card we have here is options. Certainly, Pile B, there are career or possibilities that are opening up for you. Maybe you are feeling limited in your career choices, but then you should understand that the possibilities are enormous. Time, money, and opportunities and other factors that you need are very much open to you. Perhaps you're also being asked to weigh your options or to think outside the box. I think you are being called upon to be receptive to them or just to be open to them. We have the card Law of Attraction. Perhaps when you are open to these possibilities and they will manifest themselves, because we have the Law of Attraction here. Whatever you're thinking, you're attracting and you're manifesting in your life. Maybe there's also a shift of sorts in your life, and this is a spiritual shift for a better future. I think like attracts like, so you will attract loving people into your life. Perhaps you dread going for a job, or you dread making your way to the workplace on account of a pushy boss or on account of the work environment. However, you need to realize that these experiences and feelings are a normal part of your spiritual path. Surely, you are attracting wonderful new relationships and situations for your highest good. So be open to that. Maybe you're also manifesting a job that mirrors your spiritual focus. That is why we did have options for you. Archangel Raphael is asking you to focus on your relationships. Thank you for healing and guiding all of my relationships upon the path of love. Pile B, if you recall, I did say that you have to do away with people whom you no longer need in your life. I think Archangel Raphael is asking you to do just that. Maybe there's also healing which you need within a relationship. Surely this is a sign that he is sending you through this card, that he is assisting you with your relationship and health issues, especially when both of it are intertwined. I think because if you're in a loving relationship, then this also affects your mental well-being. Furthermore, I think Pile B, you have to maintain clear and loving communication with other people. Maybe there are misunderstandings which are there, or your words are being misinterpreted. That is why you need to heal those wounds. Maybe Pile B, you should also trust your instincts with respect to a relationship that you're thinking about. Hidden knowledge, because we have the Pearl card. So certainly Pile B, there's a lot of things which are opening up for you in your life. We had options, we had the Law of Attraction. So there's also hidden knowledge. Maybe you are unaware of what's lying beneath the surface. You're gaining knowledge and you're gaining wisdom, and it's also making you aware of the possibilities that are there. Maybe you're also desiring perfection in your work or within your relationships. This is definitely a moment of insight. It is definitely the time to reflect and transform yourself. Even though it's hidden, or even though your abilities are quite hidden within you, but then you're going to awaken, and it's going to manifest for your greatest good. The last card in this reading is Nail Crucify. Maybe you're somebody who's getting the insight to hit the nail on the head. I think you're also somebody who sacrifices yourself. Maybe you also have to deal with criticism or censure that is coming your way. That is why it could affect you internally. Nevertheless, I think, Pile B, like I said, you need to heal your wounds. Ego could also hamper your relationship, so you need to get rid of it, or you need to do away with it. Maybe unnecessary arguments and assumptions are giving you a lot of anxiety and nothing else. Interestingly, Pile B, you should understand that you need to do away with your laid-back attitude. Maybe you're also going to benefit on account of trial and error. There are those mistakes which are going to be there, but then you should not hesitate. Rather, you should move forward. Another thing, Pile B, there could also be a person who's going to keep his ego aside and make a last effort to reach out to you. Perhaps you should be open to his feelings as well, and let your relationships heal. Archangel Raphael did say that you need to focus on your relationships. You are being offered something which is very pure and loving and loyal, because we did have dog in your reading from Lenormand. This is the card, your dog. One is going to be very steadfast in your life, and you need to be more receptive of his feelings towards you. All in all, Pile B, there are opportunities coming your way. You are being asked to do away with old patterns and old relationships as well. Besides, the hidden knowledge that you're going to gain is going to help you evolve into a better version of you. I hope, Pile B, you liked your reading this chart with Rihanna Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have other pick a card readings, so you can have a look at that as well. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.